Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see exercise 11.4, in which first problem, evaluate the following, in which first bit, that is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Clear? So here let us write them or let us convert them into other trigonometric ratios. So here let us start. I am writing 1 as it is. Can you tell me tan theta in terms of sin and cos?
Yes, sir.
Say tan theta is equal to?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Yes, tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Plus, same way secant theta?
1 by cos theta.
It is 1 by cos theta. So these are reciprocals formulas. Into, let us write this one as it is, and if tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, then can you tell me what is cot theta?
Cos theta by sin theta.
Cos theta by sin theta. Similarly, what is 1 by cosecant theta?
1 by sin theta.
1 by sin theta. Clear? So here we have used the formulas in place of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, similarly remaining all. Now here we can take LCM. Here you see it is 1 by nothing, means we can add 1 by 1. Here you do understand what is the LCM for 1 cos theta and cos theta. What can be the LCM?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. So here let us take cos theta as the LCM. Clear? So here as it does not have denominator as cos theta, we should multiply. 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Plus, since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator same. So here what will come?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Here also, since the denominators are same, numerator will come same. Means plus 1 will come. Is it clear? In the same way, here can you tell me what is the LCM?
Sin theta.
Sin theta is the LCM. Now same way, 1 into sin theta?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Here denominator is the same. So we can write the numerator as it is. So here what will come?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Here also minus 1 will come. Is it clear? Now we observe carefully. Cos theta plus sin theta. Here also sin theta plus cos theta. Are they same or not?
Yes, sir.
They are same. Of course order is different, but here this is also addition of sin and cos, this is also addition of sin and cos. So in your mind you visualize this as some a, small a. So this you take as some small a and you take one as b. Same way here it is a. Here since b, 1 is b, here also 1 is b. Now here it is a plus b into a minus b. Here what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b?
A square minus B square.
A square minus b square. So here can anyone tell me a square means here what will come under a?
Sin
Cos theta plus sin theta, or you can write sin theta plus cos theta also. Anyway both are no problem, both are equal only. So here cos theta plus sin theta, this is a, so a square minus b square. B square means 1 square by, here let us multiply denominator as it is. Cos theta into sin theta can be written as it is. So let us write cos theta into sin theta. Is it clear? Now let us expand this. So cos theta plus sin theta. In this again at this place you just visualize cos theta as a and sin theta as b. Is it clear? Here you need to understand, earlier I have taken cos theta plus sin theta as a. Now here I am taking this only cos theta as a, sin theta as b. To apply the formula. Is it clear? To expand it. Now here, can you tell me what is a plus b whole square formula?
A square plus B square plus 2AB.
A square plus
B square.
b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Now here, what formula is applied here? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus
B square.
b square. These are the formulas what we have applied. Now, so let us apply the formula. In place of A, you think A cos theta as A. Same way, in place of B, you can write sin. Now, can you tell me A square means what will come here?
Cos square theta.
Cos square theta. Actually, it is cos theta whole square. You do remember that cos theta whole square or cos square theta, both are the same. Same way, plus b square. B square means
Sin square theta.
sin square theta plus 2 into a into b. A means
Cos theta.
into b means.
Sin theta.
So here 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 square is 1 by, let us maintain the same denominator, that is cos theta into sin theta. Now from the trigonometric identities, can you tell me what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta nothing but cos square theta plus sin square theta. Clear? So this can be replaced with 1. So here is a 1 plus this is 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 divided by, let us maintain the denominator as it is, cos theta into sin theta. Here what formula you have applied here, you observe. We have written in place of sin square theta plus cos square theta, we have written 1. This is the reason. Now, what can be cancelled?
1.
Plus 1 and minus 1. Now here what is left now?
2 cos
2 cos theta into sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. Here you observe. This is single term, 2 into cos theta sin theta. Here also single term, cos theta into sin theta. Since it is a product, so here what can be cancelled?
Cos theta sin theta.
Cos theta can be cancelled and
Sin theta sin theta.
also can be cancelled. So here what is the answer?
2.
It is equal to 2. Now here you see the question. Evaluate the following means we should find the value of this. Value of this expression is equal to 2. So with this first problem, first bit gets completed. Now we see first problem, second bit, that is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. See here, you just observe, you can take this sin theta as, for example, you take sin theta as some a. If here sin theta is a, here also sin theta is a only. Clear? You can take cos theta as some b. Here cos theta is also b only. Now, here can anyone tell me which formula is suitable here?
A plus B whole square.
It is a plus b whole square. Plus, here what is the formula?
A minus B whole square.
Okay, so here first let us write the formulas before starting the problem. Two formulas are in this, that is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? And here what is a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Is it clear? In both the formulas, a square plus b square both will have plus only. Only symbol will be changed for 2ab. Here it is plus means plus 2ab, minus is minus 2ab. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, based on these formulas, wherever a is there, you can say sin theta. Wherever b is there, you can say cos theta. Now, here, can you tell me a square means what will come?
Sin square theta.
Sin square theta plus b square means
Cos square theta.
cos square theta plus 2 into means 2 into a into b.
Sin into
Sin theta into
Cos theta.
yes, sin theta into cos theta. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Right. Plus now again a minus b whole square formula. Now you tell me a square
Sin square theta.
sin square theta plus b square
cos square theta.
cos square theta minus 2 ab
Sin theta.
sin theta into
Cos theta.
cos theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, here this plus 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 2 sin theta cos theta both get cancelled. And here we have one more formula from trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So let us replace sin square theta plus cos square theta with 1 in the previous step. So here you see, observe carefully, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here also sin square theta plus.
Cos square theta.
Now here, this can be written as 1. It is cancelled. This can be written as
1.
which one?
Sin square theta.
Here plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. Now here 1 plus 1 is 2. So here you see the question. Evaluate the following. That means we are asked to find its value. Therefore here we can write the question sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. The value is
1.
2. Here you see finally it is 2. Therefore with this the second bit gets completed. Now we see first problem, third bit, that is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. So here let us write the suitable formulas. Using identities we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Is it clear? Here observe carefully. This plus 1, I will bring this 1 to left side. At the same time, I am sending this minus tan square theta to right side. Now can you tell me, here I am not moving secant square theta, so I am writing as it is. Now can you tell me what is secant square theta? This minus 1 is equal to
Tan square theta.
tan square theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because this plus 1 becomes minus 1, minus tan square theta becomes plus tan square theta. See in this step, secant square theta minus 1, we are going to replace this one with tan square theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we have one more formula, another trigonometric identity, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to how much? 1. Let us do the same operation for this also. So this 1 you bring this side and cot square theta send to right side. Then here what will happen, can you tell me? Cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Is it clear? So based on these formulas, we are going to solve this problem now. So let us take LHS. LHS means you can copy the given question. Sorry, here no LHS because here it is not to be proved. So directly we can take this step now. That is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. From these formulas, what is secant square theta minus 1?
Tan square theta.
That is tan square theta into what is cosecant square theta minus 1?
Cot square theta.
Cot square theta. Here you just think, can we leave the problem here or we can do furthermore? Here you see, observe carefully, you think once, can we write tan in terms of cot or cot theta in terms of tan? We should think. Here there is a way. We can write tan square theta as 1 by cot square theta or cot square theta as 1 by tan square theta. That is one of the ways. Other way is, you can write tan square theta as, listen carefully, tan square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta into cot square theta can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta. However you do, this sin square theta get cancelled. Same way cos square theta also they get cancelled, you get the answer 1. That is another way. So here I am doing in a simple way, that is I am writing tan square theta as it is. Can you tell me how to write cot theta in terms of tan theta?
1 by tan square theta.
1 by tan square theta. Because cot theta equal 1 by tan theta. Cot square theta is 1 by tan theta whole square. Simply 1 square is 1 and this is tan square theta. Here what can be cancelled?
Tan square theta.
They can be cancelled one time. So here we will get answer as 1. That means if we simplify this, this value is equal to 1. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Now we see question number 2. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So let us start solving this problem. Here this is LHS, this is RHS. So let us consider LHS, that is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Now here, can you tell me here, from reciprocals, what is cosecant theta?
1 by sin theta.
It is 1 by sin theta. And what is cot theta?
Cos theta by sin theta.
Cos theta by sin theta. So let us use these formulas for solving this problem. Now here is equal to, let us write it as it is. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Again whole square is there. Let us maintain the same. Is it clear? Here can you tell me what is the LCM?
Sin theta.
Sin theta is the LCM. Since the denominators are equal, we can write the numerator as it is. So here what will come? 1. So here also cos theta will come. Is it clear? Now whole square is there. So let us maintain the same. Till here any doubt? Now we are going to split the square for both of them. So here numerator 1 minus cos theta becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square. And this is sin theta whole square. It can be written as sin square theta. But it is not sin theta square. Sin theta whole square can be written as sin square theta. So it is sin square theta. We have another trigonometric identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here we are in need of only sin square theta. Let us send this cos square theta right side. So sin square theta becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Is it clear? So we are going to replace sin square theta with this 1 minus cos square theta. Let us write this numerator as it is, 1 minus cos theta whole square. I am writing it as it is. And here sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Here you observe how I am writing. This is like x square can be written as x into x. Clear? Same way 1 minus cos theta I am writing as 1 minus cos theta whole square. I am writing as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. The same quantity can be written 2 times, can be multiplied 2 times. And here when you come to denominator, let us write 1 as 1 square and cos square theta as cos theta whole square. Here you see, which formula is applicable here? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. So based on this formula we are going to write the denominator. Here a means 1, b means only cos theta. So let us write the numerator as it is. I am writing it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, whereas here the denominator becomes it is a means 1, it is b means cos theta, only cos theta. Now you tell me a square and b square means a plus b. Here a means 1 plus b means cos theta into again a minus b. A means minus b means cos theta. Here what can be cancelled?
1 minus cos theta.
1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, they both get cancelled. Here what is left over now? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. You observe in the question, what is to be shown? 1 minus cos theta by
1 plus cos theta.
here what we got? Same 1 minus cos theta by
1
1 plus cos theta. So we have got here RHS. That means in this problem you see, if you take LHS, therefore if we consider LHS, we have reached to RHS. So we can write here, hence proved. With this, the second problem gets completed. Now we see question number 3. Show that under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. So here, let us consider left hand side, that is under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Here you observe what symbol is there in the numerator,
Plus.
what symbol is there in the answer,
Plus.
plus. So here when these two are equal, we have to take the rationalizing factor of the denominator. Is it clear?
Yes.
That means we should not disturb the numerator. We should take the rationalizing factor of the denominator. So let us multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor of denominator. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let us write the given value, that is 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A can be written as it is into. So what is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin A?
1 plus sin A.
1 plus sin A. So let us multiply with 1 plus sin A and divide with the same 1 plus sin A only. That means we can multiply and divide with the same quantity. And here you see, this under root is there. So let us maintain the under root till the end, like this. Now multiply numerator and numerator. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A becomes
1 plus sin A whole square.
1 plus sin A whole square by, here you do understand, here you take 1 as some A, here is A, here is A, and replace sin A as B, this is B, this is B. Here you multiply the denominator, this is A minus B into A plus B. It can also be written as A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula of A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. So here A square means 1 square minus B square means sin A whole square. B square means sin A whole square. So this under root is there. Let us maintain the same. Now here what formula we have applied? Let us write here. That is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Based on this formula we have changed it. Now let us split the square root for the both. So here what will happen? 1 plus sin A whole square, for that 1 square root. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
By, here 1 square is 1 minus sin A whole square can be written as sin square A, but not sin A square. It is sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. For this again another square root. Means this square root is splitted for the both. Now let us move this side. It is single quantity 1 plus sin A. Its square and root they both get cancelled. So in the numerator you will get 1 plus sin A. When you come to the denominator, 1 minus sin square A. See here, there is a formula from identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Right? From the trigonometric identity, that is 1. Now 1 minus sin square A means send the sin square A this side. Then here what is left?
Cos square A.
Cos square A is equal to 1 minus
Sin square A.
sin square A. Is it clear? That means here in the previous step, this 1 minus sin square A can be replaced with cos square A. It is cos square A, but still it has square root. Let us maintain the same. Now write the numerator as it is, 1 plus sin A as it is, and write cos square A as cos A whole square, again square root. Here what will get cancelled?
Square and root.
Square and square root, they both get cancelled. Now here what is left?
1 plus
1 plus sin A by cos A. Here you see now there are two terms in the numerator. One is number 1 and another one is sin A. But it has single denominator. Single denominator can be splitted for the both. So here now can you tell me what will be the next step?
1 by cos A
1 by cos A plus
sin A by cos A.
sin A by cos A. Yes. Now here again formulas. 1 by cos A can be written as secant A, right? And sin A by cos A can be written as tan A. Based on these formulas, now can you tell me here 1 by cos A is
secant A
secant A plus sin A by cos A is tan A. You observe now what is to be proved? Same. Secant A plus tan A. Here what we got? Secant A plus tan A. So here we can write we have reached RHS. Therefore, if we take LHS, we got RHS. So we can write here hence proved. With this, the problem 3 gets completed. Now we see question number 4. Show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. So here let us consider the left hand side, that is LHS. 1 minus tan square A by
1 by
cot square A minus 1. Here you observe the question. Right hand side what we need to prove is tan square A. That means we have to convert this entire problem in terms of tan square A so that it will be easy to solve. Clear? So already this is in tan square A. Let us don't disturb the numerator. Let us write 1 minus tan square A as it is without disturbing it. Here, is there any possibility to convert cot A in terms of tan A? Yes. How can we write cot A in terms of tan A?
1 by tan A.
1 by tan A. If cot A is 1 by tan A, what is cot square A?
1
1 by tan square A.
Yes, 1 by tan square A. Cot square A is 1 by tan square A minus 1. In fact, it is 1 by tan A whole square. 1 square is 1. Tan A whole square is tan square A. Is it clear? So here what formula is used? We have used cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. This is the formula we have used here. Now let us simplify this. Write the numerator as it is. What is the numerator?
1 minus tan square A.
1 minus tan square A. Let us maintain the same. And here, when you come to denominator, it is 1 by tan square A minus 1. Let us take LCM here. What is LCM here? Tan square A is the LCM. Clear? So here, whose 1 by tan square A, whose denominator is tan square A? So we can write 1 as it is. Let us write 1 as it is minus 1 into tan square A is tan square A. To not to get confused, let us maintain this bracket for the denominator. Now, let us simplify this. Write the numerator as it is, and I am changing this divided by, this is the divided by, I am changing it as into. When you write into, this can be taken reciprocal. We should take its reciprocal. So tell me, 1 by tan square A by tan square A becomes, reverse now, tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. Here you observe, this is also 1 minus tan square A. And this is also 1 minus tan square A. What can be cancelled? 1 minus tan square A and
1 minus tan square A.
these two get cancelled. Now here what is left our value now?
Tan square A.
Now you see the question, what is to prove?
Tan square A.
So this is nothing but RHS. Is it clear? So if we take LHS, on taking LHS, on solving, we have reached to RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. We can write here, hence proved. With this, the problem 4 gets completed. Now we see problem number 5. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So here, let us start solving this problem. Consider LHS, left hand side. What is there here? 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Here, you just imagine that no denominator, so we can take 1 here. Can you tell me here cos theta and 1, what is the LCM for them? Cos theta is the LCM. So let us write cos theta as LCM. Is it clear? Here cos theta gets matched, so we can write 1 as it is. Minus, here as it is 1, we can multiply cos theta and cos theta. So it is cos square theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Those who have doubt, you can follow another thing also. Just cross multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus cos theta and cos theta, cos square theta by cos theta into 1. In that way also you can do it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here we need 1 minus cos square theta, send this on that side. So here what is left? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So based on this formula, let us write in place of 1 minus cos square theta, what can be written?
Sin square theta.
So let us write sin square theta by cos theta. So let us write the denominator as it is. Now sin square theta can be written as sin theta into sin theta. So let us write sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta divided by cos theta. Now according to the answer, let us split it as, let us write sin theta and cos theta together. So we can write sin theta by cos theta. Now here what is left?
Sin theta.
Into sin theta, let us write here. Simple, just write sin theta and sin theta in this way, that's all. Now as we know the formula, sin theta by cos theta can be written as tan theta. So based on this formula, let us replace sin theta by cos theta with tan theta into, let us write the sin theta as it is. Now here you observe what is to be proved.
Tan theta into sin theta.
Here what we got?
Tan theta into sin theta.
Therefore here when we consider LHS, here we have got RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So here we can write hence proved. With this problem number 5 gets completed. Now we see question number 6. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Here let us convert the complete problem in terms of sin A and cos A. Let us see here, solving. Secant A in terms of cos A, how can it be written?
1 by cos A.
1 by cos A. Secant A is 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A, let us write as it is. Again same, secant A can be written as
1 by cos A.
1 by cos A. And what is tan A in terms of sin A and cos A?
Sin A by cos A.
Sin A by cos A. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Clear? Now let us write 1 by cos A as it is, or 1 into 1 minus sin A, 1 minus sin A will come. Let us write 1 into 1 minus sin A as 1 minus sin A by cos A into, here what is the LCM?
Cos A.
Cos A is the LCM. If you take here cos A LCM, in the numerator here what is left? 1 plus here
Sin A.
sin A. Now since it is multiplication, let us multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Let us see here, there is a formula, that is A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula here?
A square minus B square.
A square minus
B square.
B square. Based on this formula, let us rewrite 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A as, here A is 1, B is sin A. Now tell me, what is A square?
1 square.
1 square minus, what is B square?
Sin square A.
Sin square A. Actually it is sin A whole square. It can be written as sin square A by, let us multiply denominator into denominator, cos A into cos A. Cos square A. Cos square A. From trigonometric identities, we have a formula, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to
1.
1. This is the trigonometric identity 1. Clear? Now here let us send this sin square A to right side. Now here cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A. Based on this formula, let us understand here, 1 square is 1. So 1 minus here sin square A by cos square A. Here you can change 1 minus sin square A as cos square A, or another choice is cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A, but you should not change the both, because here if you change any one, you will get cancellation. So let us write, in place of 1 minus sin square A, let us write cos square A. So here numerator becomes cos square A by
Cos square A.
cos square A. Here what will happen?
Cancellation.
Cancellation. How many times?
1 time.
1 time. Therefore final answer is 1. So if you simplify the given expression, you will get answer as 1. With this, sixth problem gets completed. Now we see question number 7. Prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here this is the question what we need to prove. So we have to take here LHS and we should get the RHS. If not vice versa. In some problems you should take RHS and we should get LHS. So here let us start solving the problem. Consider LHS, left hand side part of the problem. So let us take this value completely. So say here what is given, sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Here you observe carefully, for both of them A plus B whole square formula is suitable. A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Based on this formula, we are going to expand both of them. So here A means sin A, B means cosecant A. So here, if A is sin A, what is A square? Sin square A. Plus B square is cosecant square A. Plus 2 into A into B means sin A into cosecant A. Sin A into cosecant A. Clear? In the same way, here this one, as I do not have place here, I am expanding here. Plus, now tell me, this also same A plus B whole square? In place of A here cos A, in place of B secant A. Tell me now, A square, cos square A plus b square
Secant square A.
secant square a plus 2 into a into b
Cos A into
cos a into
Secant.
secant a. Here in the next step, let us apply some formulas. In place of cosecant a, cosecant a can be written as 1 by
Sin A.
sin a, and here in place of this secant a can be written as 1 by
Cos A.
cos a. Clear? Now let us substitute these formulas in the previous step. Along with that, let us write this sin square a and cos square a together. Clear? Cosecant square a and secant square a, let us write together. Now here tell me first, sin square a plus cos square a. Same way, cosecant square a plus secant square a plus, now we are going to write this 2ab and this 2ab. First I am writing first one, 2 into a means sin a. In place of cosecant a, what can we write?
1 by Sin A.
So let us write 1 by sin a plus, here this 2ab is to be written. So let us write 2 as it is into cos a also as it is into, in place of secant a,
1 by Cos A.
1 by cos a. Is there any cancellation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which one?
Sin A.
Sin a and sin a?
Cos A and Cos A.
Cos a and cos a. Now here sin square a plus cos square a, we have a formula, that is 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Let us write the suitable formulas here. So we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to
1.
1. Clear? And here if you write this as 1, this is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. But here in the answer we need 7. That too here cosecant square a is and plus secant square a is there. But we need tan square a plus cot square a. So we need to convert cosecant square a plus secant square a in terms of tan square a and cot square a. How to write? Now let us take the help of other trigonometric identities. We have second one is secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. In place of secant square a, let us send tan square a that side. So secant square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a. Is it clear? This minus tan square a, when it is sent that side, it will become 1 plus tan square a. So in place of this secant square a, we are going to write this 1 plus tan square a. Is it clear? And one more trigonometric identity also there, that is cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Here we have cosecant square a, but we need in terms of cot square a. So let us send same cot square a to right side. Then here what happens? Cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. Now let us substitute all the formulas. Now here, based on this, you answer me. What is sin square a plus cos square a? 1. So this can be replaced with 1 plus. What is cosecant square a from this list?
1 plus cot square A.
1 plus cot square a. 1 plus cot square a plus. From this table, from these formulas, what is secant square a?
1 plus tan square A.
1 plus tan square a. Plus, here you observe, sin square a plus cos square a, I have written as 1. Cosecant square a is 1 plus cot square a. Secant square a is 1 plus tan square a. Here 2 1s are 2 plus here 2 1s are 2. So let us write 2 plus 2. Clear? Now add all the numbers now. Say here 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2. Here what is required?
7.
Okay, we got 7 here. Plus we can write cot square a plus tan square a, or as it is addition we can alter it. So to get the answer we can write here this as tan square a plus cot square a. Is it clear? Now you observe here, is it not the RHS? Yes, it is the RHS. So here we got this is equal to RHS. Therefore, if we consider LHS, we got RHS. Hence proved. With this problem number 7 gets completed. Now we see question number 8. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now here let us start solving this problem. So it is very clear, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus. What is the formula?
A square minus B square.
A square minus b square. So based on this formula, first let us simplify first two easily. So here in place of a, 1 is there. In place of b, cos theta is there. So here let us write the question for the first step. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So here I am going to apply formula for this. Here a means 1 means a square is 1 square. Here b means cos theta and b square is cos square theta. Actually it is cos theta whole square. It can be written as cos square theta but not cos theta square. Now let us write this 1 plus cot square theta as it is. Is it clear? 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus, it is 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Here you see, from the trigonometric identities, from the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here you observe, we need 1 minus cos square theta. So let us send cos square theta this side. Now here what is left here? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. That means you need to understand that this 1 minus cos square theta can be replaced with sin square theta. Is it clear? Now we have one more identity, that is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. From this we need 1 plus tan square theta, cot square theta. So here send this one this side, right side. Now here what is left? Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus minus cot square theta becomes plus 1 plus cot square theta. That means you need to understand that in place of 1 plus cot square theta we can write cosecant square theta. So here let us apply these formulas in the next step. Now tell me now 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta into 1 plus cot square theta can be written as cosecant square theta. Clear? Now here with one more formula we can close this problem. As we know, cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Clear? Based on this formula, cosecant square theta can be written as
1 by sin square.
1 by sin square theta. In fact, it is cosecant square theta means squaring on both the sides. 1 square is 1. Sin theta whole square is sin square theta. So let us write this cosecant square theta as 1 by sin square theta. So write this sin square theta as it is into cosecant square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Is there any cancellation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sin square theta, sin square get cancelled. Now answer is 1. Therefore here on simplifying the given expression, we will get answer is 1. With this problem number 8 gets completed. Now we see question number 9. The given question is, if secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, this is the if condition. So it can be used completely. It is not the necessary that we should take LHS, we should prove RHS. This is not that condition. This is if condition. If condition can be used completely wherever it is required. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of secant theta minus tan theta? Here this problem is very easy. You just think, is there any identity which is in related between sin secant theta and tan theta? Yes, we have one identity. What is the identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So let us start with this. So we know that from the trigonometric identities, we know that secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1 from identities. Here you compare this one with A square minus B square. In place of A, secant A is there. In place of B, tan A is there. In place of B, tan A. B square is tan square A. Now here suitable formula is A square minus B square can be written as A plus B into A minus B. Now based on this formula, here A means secant A, not secant square A. A is only secant A and B is tan A. Now here you tell me A plus B means here A means what will come? Secant A only plus B plus tan A into A secant A minus B tan A. Clear? Is equal to 1. Is it clear now? Now here you see, actually here this is given thetas. So let us replace this one with full thetas only. Secant square theta, tan square theta. Here also secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Clear? Now we will write here given in place of secant theta plus tan theta, what can be written? P can be written. That is given. We should use it. So here in place of secant theta plus tan theta, let us write P. So here in place of this, I am writing P. P into in place of this I am writing as it is. That is secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Here you see which value we want. Secant theta minus tan theta. So let us send P that side. So here from this secant theta minus tan theta will be 1 by P. That's all. So with this problem number 9 gets completed. Now we see question number 10. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here this is the if condition. It can be used completely. So let us start the problem here. Given thing is cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. So let us consider its related trigonometric identity. That is, we have or we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Clear? So this is in the form of a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Based on this formula, let us expand cosecant square theta minus cot square theta also. So here a plus b means cosecant theta plus cot theta into, as I do not have place I am writing down, into a minus b means cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to, here 1 is there, let us maintain the same. Clear? In these two, which one is given? Cosecant theta plus cot theta or cosecant theta minus cot theta? Plus cot theta. So let us substitute this one with k. So here given cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Now let us replace this first value with k. So it is k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So here let us send k that side. So we have cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let us consider the given equation as equation number 1. And at present what we got, let us take it as equation number 2. Now we are going to solve equation number 1 and 2. Now here solving equation number 1 and equation number 2. Right? Let us write them clearly. First equation is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Second equation is cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Clear? Now here let us add them. On adding, here remember, when you add, symbols are not to be changed. When you subtract, in that case only second equation symbols will be changed. So here plus cot theta minus cot theta, they get cancelled. Now cosecant theta plus cosecant theta is 2 cosecant theta. Clear? Here we do not have cot theta values, let us leave it. Here right side k plus 1 by k. Is it clear? Now here let us write 2 cosecant theta as it is equal to, here k is LCM, k into k square plus 1 we will write as it is plus 1 by k. So it is k square plus 1 by k. Now let us send 2 also that side. So cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
As we know, sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal to each other. If cosecant theta is k square plus 1 by 2k, what is sin theta?
2k.
2k by k square plus 1. So let us write here, that implies then sin theta will be 2k by k square plus 1. Here what is the formula? Sin theta can be written as 1 by cosecant theta, or we can write cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, or sin theta is 1 by cosecant theta. Both are the same. That means both are reciprocal to each other. Now here you observe, we got the value of sin theta, but what's our requirement?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Now I will tell you how to get cos theta using sin theta. Now we will see that. Already we have a formula, that is from trigonometric identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now from this, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Is it clear? Now let us write 1 as it is minus sin theta is 2k by k square plus 1. Then sin square theta is 2k by k plus k square plus 1 whole square will come, because squaring on both sides. Is it clear? So let us take this as equation number 3, because earlier we have taken 1 and 2. Let us take it as equation number 3. So from 3 we are writing this as 2k by k square plus 1 whole square. Is it clear? This is since from 3, equation number 3 we have replaced it. If we simplify this, we will get this answer. That's all. Now here let us simplify. Let us write 1 as it is. 2 square is 4, k square is k square by, this is k square plus 1 whole square, k square plus 1 whole square. Now this k square plus 1 whole square will become the LCM. That into 1 is same will come, k square plus 1 whole square minus here what is in numerator? 4k square, that will come as it is. Here what will come? K square plus 1 whole square. Is it clear? Now here you do understand that. Let us expand this. Say a square means k square whole square. Clear? Plus b square means plus 1 square plus 2ab. 2 into k square into 1 is k square. So it is 2k square. It is 2k square minus, let us write this 4k square as it is, by, here it is k square plus 1 whole square. Now here you observe carefully. Plus 2 square, 2k square minus 4k square. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So it is, we can write as minus 2k square. This can be written as minus 2k square. So let us rewrite it as k square whole square plus 1 square minus 2k square by, let us write the denominator as it is, k square plus 1 whole square. Is it clear? Now here you do understand. It is a formula. See, say a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here b is 1, so here we can write 1 also. Now here, because 2k square into 1 is 2k square only, so to convert into formula, say a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here what is a square minus b square plus 2ab? What is, sorry, a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the formula?
A plus B whole square.
A minus b whole square. See, minus is there. Clear? What is the formula for a square plus b square minus 2ab?
A minus B.
A minus b whole square. So we are going to use this formula. Based on this formula, here you don't be confused. Listen carefully. It is a square. A means what here?
A square.
K square. K square is a square. A. K square is a. Is it clear? Because here you see, it is a square. You close this square now, a will be k square. Same way, plus b square. Here b means 1. B means 1. Now you tell me here a minus b. Here a means what will come? K square minus b means 1 whole square. It is a minus b whole square by, here what is there? K square plus 1 whole square. This is the value of cos square theta. You don't forget the LHS. It is cos square theta value it is. Now when you want cos theta, let us consider square roots both the sides. Is it clear? So here this is the value of cos square theta. Therefore I am writing here cos theta is equal to, let us remove the squares now. So here k square minus 1 whole square, this whole square, this square and root get cancelled. So here what you will get? K square minus 1 by, here this square and root get cancelled, here you will get k square plus 1. In fact it is plus or minus we should write, but according to the answer you see, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That is what we need to prove. So here we can write hence proved. With this, the problem number 10 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.